Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you what does Discord user status mean. So you must be confused and you must see this options right in your profile that there's online, there is invisible, and you're like wondering what is it about. So go to your profile. So yeah, go and click on this and you can see there's lots of online status and you have no idea what that means. So I'm going to explain to you what it means. So online means yeah, you're online and you're ready to chat. Everyone shows that you're visible. And idle is you may be online, you may be offline, you don't know. Like you may be using a computer but you are not opening your Discord app. That means you're idle, you're away from your keyboard, you're AFK. So, and what do not disturb means if you on that do not disturb, you will be notified, but there is no sound to it. You'll get a notification if anyone messages you, but you don't get the sound of it. So it's like do not disturb me. But yeah, invisible is you are offline. Even if you secretly see the messages or sounds, you like people don't know you're online. So that is how it means. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.